Hi guys, I'm back from 2025 and I hope you all had a fabulous year and I hope that you guys will have a prosperous 2026. Today, I'm back as recording. Now, we all know that Julius Malema is facing trials on Friday, the 23rd. When is it? Friday. Let me just check here. I've got yes, Friday, the 23rd. And he's got, let me say, he's got a good chance of ending up in jail. Well, let me say 50-50%. Good chance of ending up in jail and a good chance of just getting a slap on the wrist. Now, let me tell you this. And I'm gonna read this out, what Kim Heller says about Julius Malema. No white lie. And poor AfriForum. The president of EFF, Julius Malema, is being targeted by AfriForum. Is being targeted by AfriForum. No, Heller, Kim Heller, is not being targeted by AfriForum. He is being prosecuted by the law of South Africa. These charges are ridiculous. Why? Why are they ridiculous? Because he shot a gun up in public space. It's all over the internet, Kim. Why would Julius Malema discharge a firearm at the EFF celebrations among his key supporters? Kim, did you not see that he took a firearm? It's on the internet. He fired it off. How stupid are you? Amongst people he loves and who love him. Now look at this. AfriForum is a danger to South Africa, not Julius Malema or EFF. Now she's contradicting herself here. Julius Malema is being targeted by AfriForum, and now she says AfriForum is a danger to South Africa, not Julius Malema or EFF. She's contradicting herself here. This is what white liberals do. They will gaslight the hell out of you. They will take part among everything that is left and unbiblical and unchristian. As far as they can go, they will rebel against anything that is called good in this world. Now, Kim, I'm going to read a Bible verse for you, and I want you to take note. Who do those who call evil good and good evil, who put darkness for light and light for darkness, who put bitter for sweet and sweet for bitter? Isaiah 5 verse 20. Let's go take a look at and yeah, I've put a verse for it there. Let's go take a look at the comments here. Yes. A time has come for Julius Malema to go to prison. So the time is East London Magistrates Court, Friday, 23rd January 2026. We call it Jail Watch Malema. Let's quickly go play a video. And shoot it. He takes the gun and shoot it. Because the boss doesn't care about his people. Duh. He's a narcissistic dictator wannabe. Yes, as I told me, they want to turn South Africa into North Korea 2.0. Excuse me for the cough. I'm being terribly sick with something. I think I got some flu or something. It's now week 2 that I'm sick. Why? Who knows? Maybe he's retarded. But the fact that he do exactly that, video footage and eyewitnesses confirmed the racist moron is going to prison, so you'll have to find a new blesser to whore yourself out to. And Stefan Z, I guess you guys all know his YouTube channel. If you don't know his YouTube channel, you can go have a look. Stefan ZI. He's actually made a good video on this. I'm busy watching it. But I had to comment on Kim Hiller. I had to comment. This is funny. Kim Hiller's face next to Julius Malema's. They are his sheep. He only loves money and himself. No white lie. And then someone else, well, you can go look and what is his? Hi Kim. Hi weer Kim. Hy's beskuldig bevind. Kim, moenie 'n waterkopie wees nie. Julius Maserat in jail. What if whites fight back? There is a thing called the law of unintended consequences. Now, I do not know about the law of unintended consequences. All I know is that what you sow, you will reap. That is a verse that is in the Bible. I believe in that law, and that is a law that the Lord put there, especially for our sinners, for us sinners, that says there is consequences for your sin. Now, Julius Malema fired that firearm. The consequences is that he will be prosecuted and hopefully end up in jail. Come on, Kim. And here's another nice picture of him with the firearm. And I'm not gonna read this. And this is something else. A white woman defending Julius Malema. Then we have black people who want to see him behind bars. Oh yes. Oh yes. We've got a black lady that's helping up here at home. At the people we are renting from. And she even told me she doesn't like Julius Malema. She would want him to sing behind bars. But this is something else. If we really respected ourselves, we would bring back the necklace. We need to bring back the necklace. These things would even stop posting anti-black nonsense. Whatever. Hey, then you woke up and found out that you in the bed. No. What you look like when you talk shit. Essence are not all cult members. The law is clear about discharging firearm or smoking in public, but his WMC lawyers failed to convince the court. The best the poor African lawyer can do is to argue his suspension of sentence. His downfall was to insult both the left and the right. Now, I don't know if you remember this lady also. She's some someone high up in some municipal council. I think she will also be facing some kind of prosecution after this. Any case, you meant to say, I wonder who is that to take the video showed the whole world that he used a weapon in a crowded area. You won't get it right, but try to be a dumb, yeah. This isn't a white lie, it's denial. Julius Malema wasn't targeted. He was convicted by court on evidence. Who he was surrounded by is irrelevant. The law applies everywhere. Blaming AfriForum instead of confronting the fact is an attempt to intimidate institutions and evade accountability. No one is above the law. Well, there it is, the stupidest thing I'll read today. Truly, how are people this retarded? Video evidence discharging a weapon and asking why would he discharge a weapon? He's targeted by South African law governing all people in this country. What do you even call this level of delusion? It's not normal. I agree. There is a full video evidence of Malema discharging the firearm. That crayons are not fit for human consumption. Yeah. Bullshit, Kim. You know very well he fired a weapon. Are you that blind to not now follow cult behavior? Didn't think you could sink any lower, but here we are. Kim, both AfriForum and Malema are the same. I don't agree. One is for racist Afrikaners, one is for immigrants. None of them are about majority blacks of South Africa. AfriForum must voetsek and Malema must assign to a reform assignment in job. I don't agree, many men. AfriForum doesn't sing kill the black people. They don't do that. It's Julius Malema that sings kill the boer, kill the farmer. They are not the same. Under which rock have you been living? His actions were caught on video and wildly circulated, purely to give credence for his favorite slogan. Brr, brr, brr. You know those blank spaces all too well. Brr, pa. So you get over yourself, please. I have a soft spot for Juju. Oh my word, man. How can you have a soft spot for such a criminal? But he did just charge a firearm. Should he be prosecuted? Yes. Should he be charged with harsh criminal sentence? No. Excuse me? He should. He should. There's no way, no two ways of thinking about this, man. He should be prosecuted with harsh criminal sentence. He knew it was safe. How does he know he was safe? He's got an IQ of 60 and lower. It was symbolic, and I doubt there were live rounds. So are you admitting to he took the gun to shoot for his struggle, so-called struggle song, Kill the Boer, Kill the Farmer? Bullshit. Malema charges advanced by CIA. Oh my word, some of these comments, guys, I don't know. Some of these comments are ridiculous. Malema charges advanced by CIA Mossad infiltration of the RSI corruption. Delays to come with a draconian charge. Discharge of a firearm while most Africans were killed by brutal apartheid police, lethal machine guns. Nothing ever happened for justice to prevail. Are you calling for the whites to be killed again? Are you calling for the whites to be killed, Machila Starkey? Are you calling for us to be killed? Any case. So yes. You stupid what? You think he cares about fellow black? Take that book of yours and use it to wipe the shit that you just spit it out of your mouth. Oh, please, stop with that pathetic AfriForum bashing. Julius is a criminal and will face charges. He's not above the law. You think the whole world is blind and can't see what happened on that video? The evidence is that you believe that. What is your obsession with this racist little man? He's a danger to South Africa. The court seems to agree he's not a real despot who can do what he wants like he runs his mouth. There are consequences, and while there is still a hint of rule of law, fafo. He did discharge the firearms among his lemmings. He doesn't love them, and that's why he must be locked away. It's on the video. Give it the rest. He's guilty and should face the consequences. He's special, but not that special. Yes, I agree. No one is above the law. Malema has been found guilty and must go to jail. 3 days to go. That's correct. So ask him that, you fool. He was found guilty of doing just that. Man, if stupid was stupid, it would have had your face. It will be a good day when the jail door shuts behind him on the 24th January 2026. Yeah, it's actually 23rd January. Guilty in a court of law. Ask Malema why he made a fool of himself. He's the only one that can answer you, nobody else. Kim, you cannot be this stupid, or is this more for clicks like the majority of your ex statements? But he did shoot in the air. Kim, it was proven in court. Are you really defending criminality? Hell, but you can lie unashamedly. Please tell me this is satire. Oh, now I remember. It's the white woman that played the EFF as if she is on their side with her public relational stunts. I thought you blocked me, apparently not. You need to find other means of trying to be relevant. You're so pathetic. How dumb are you, Kim? He has been found guilty by court of law and will receive his sentence on Friday. Hopefully, he will land in jail. Don't listen to your lying eyes and ears. Everyone saw him do it. He's guilty, the end. But at the same time, if people say Zulani is not targeted using cops by criminals in Johnny, can we be constant on our analysis? It's about time these politicians take accountability, but you stupid libtards are trying to prevent that at all costs. I agree. Thanks, Kim Tart. Another funny story from you. Do you ever get tired of the smell of shit coming from your face from all that cuck you talk? Why would Julius Malema discharge firearm at an EFF celebration? Like the Missy over here has never seen gangsters at funeral when one of their big shots dies. They love shooting in the air, but shame she has a woody for juju. That's the same question everyone's asking. The only explanation I can come up with that he is a dumbass. It's like BEE. It's the law. Google it. South Africa law, not AfriForum law. You are white and you are lying right now. Why don't you ask him why he did it? Unfortunately, there's no pulse for old women in denial. I can't believe you actually posted that. It's thoughts like this that reinforce the idea that SA is a banana republic. Thank you, Kim Hiller, for showing the world how dumb we are. Because he is a lunatic, I'm not going to read this out. The evidence says otherwise, but then you will suck off anyone who disagrees. You cannot be serious. Well, we discharge it for all to see. The Kim Hiller is a dud, isn't she? It was posted on social media. Don't gaslight us. What a retarded take. Kill a boer, become kies a boer in court. He has no backbone, the coward. Because he did you moronic, whatever. How much he paying you, Gogo? Any besides firearms is synonymous with politics. The stupidity here is claiming that Adrian is not guilty for handing him a gun, but Malema is guilty for firing a gun. What happened to negligence? It just gives the motives away. This is ridiculous. You know he fired that gun. Because he's reckless, or maybe just because he did not think gravity applied to his also regal and exalted self. Lol, lying for likes. You need new material, it seems. There are actually recordings. You're on some serious copium right now. Stop being a fool. You were there with me, etc. when the son of a Zimbabwean shot the gun around the pool after the dinner. There is literally video evidence you self-loathing. Because of the truth, stop being an idiot, old woman. We all saw the video. He did. AfriForum did not discharge a firearm. So this one says AfriForum must go to hell. Why? What did I do to you? What did I do to you, black butterfly? What did AfriForum do to you that you say AfriForum must go to hell? Or are you just reciting what your other racist, supremacist black leaders are telling you? Why? Because he's a domkop. So are his prize singers, which includes you. That's ridiculous. He try by all means provoke Africa. If they want the war, it must come. He is useless. Boo-hoo-hoo. Oh, the victim mentality. He fell for the trap. He must deal with the consequences. Why would you hire a security to protect your toy gun? Does it make sense to you? But he was caught on video for everyone to see, to show off. Be very afraid of AfriForum. They are coming for you. No, AfriForum will not come for her. She's pathetic. She's not that time, you know. She's a waste of time for AfriForum. Any case, guys. So this is our take. The lefties are getting chest pains because Julius Malema is going to go to jail on Friday. If it's God's will, he will go to jail. And all I'm saying is the lefties like Kim Heller. I'm just going to show some of the posts. So on. She is so pro-Palestine. What about Iran, Mrs. or ma'am? I don't even want to follow you. But she is so anti-white. She's a white woman, but she is so anti-white. You cannot believe this. You cannot believe this. She's a gifappel. So I just want to know what. There's not a word of Iran on her on her profile. Not a word of it. But there's only free Palestine. Free Palestine. Not a word of Iran. The poor Iranian people were killed in masses so much. 30,000 and up were killed. But this woman, she hates Trump. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. She's even reposting Bianca van Wyk. Oh my word. There's the Iran thing. So I think she just listened in. So, but I think because this was hosted by some Islam friend, the Iranians had a lot of people on there that was not pro-Iran, not pro the Iranian people that is currently under the IRGC regime. And I can't. This woman, she needs to go to a mental facility or go to some kind of psychiatric doctor so that he can prescribe her pills. There is pills for this because she's living in some kind of delusional state. To actually defend crime, it's bad. It's bad. It's bad. We've got a lot of them under us that will defend crime, especially Carl Niehaus and Pete Krokramp. They are all part And I think they're all getting paid a big fat bonus for spewing this total nonsense on social media. Adrian Basson for News24, Kyle Cohen, they're all bad. They're all bad. They have been mocked, and the people know who they are, and they are being pushed out from the more conservative groups of Afrikaners and white people, and even conservative black people are pushing them out. These people, when the regime collapse of South Africa, should not, I don't know, if they can apologize or something and turn their ways around. But so far, if they can't do that, then they should not be given a chance in society, because they will just hurt it even more. But this is my take on Kim Heller. Kim Heller stands for Julius Malema. And I can say it's despicable. It's despicable to have people, white people, that stand up for Julius Malema while he sings songs like Kill the Boer, Kill the Farmer, and inciting hatred and violence against the white people of South Africa, and endangering our lives, because we can see that every time he sings that song, then farm attacks skyrocket. So guys, yes, this is my take on it. Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks so much.